Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to create an art portfolio with ArtStation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the ArtStation website. If you do not have an account, click the sign up button. Fill in your details to create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. Click on the Portfolio tab. On the Portfolio page, you will see an option to create new project. Click this option to begin your portfolio. You will be prompted to upload images or artwork. Select the files you want to include in your project. Choose high-resolution images for the best quality. Once uploaded, organize your images in the desired order. Add a title for your project in the title field. Include a description to provide context about your artwork. Consider adding tags that relate to your work. Tags help others find your project through search. You can also select the project type, such as 2D, 3D, or photography. Make sure your project settings are set to public for visibility. Preview your project to see how it appears to viewers. Adjust any elements if necessary for a polished look. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your portfolio live. Your ArtStation portfolio is now accessible to the community. Regularly update your portfolio with new work to keep it fresh. Engage with other artists on the platform for feedback and inspiration. Utilize the comments section to receive constructive criticism. Share your portfolio link on social media to reach a wider audience. Explore other artists' portfolios for ideas and trends. This will help enhance your artistic style and presentation skills. Stay active on ArtStation to build connections and grow your network. Remember that a well-curated portfolio showcases your best work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.